Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily make the elastic effect for ShotCut. So let's start. First, what you want to do is click on filters, click plus, and now right here elastic. Now you'll add here elastic scale. What you want to do is you can increase the center, scale factor, and now you can see right here that you can make the elasticity. Let's play with it. Okay. So as you can see, you can increase the and decrease the elasticity of the video. So yep, you can play around it with it, but this is how we can make the elastic effect for ShotCut. If you enjoyed this video, you can support and subscribe. I'll be really thankful for that. And also write me down below in the comments what else would you like to learn, and I will make a tutorial on it. Thank you everybody, have a great day, and see you in the next video.